Hello, how are you? How you doing? Today I am going to be talking about mini HIFU, about this beauty device. It's gonna be all about this beauty device. I'm gonna take out all your doubts, and I'm gonna tell you what it promises to do, and what it does, and taking out all your doubts. So it's gonna be, this video is gonna be all about this mini HIFU, this beauty device. Okay, before I get started, please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share. Also, stay tuned because I have other beauty devices. I have this one that says it burns fat and it smooth out satellites. Okay, so this is to use on the body. I have this vacuum suction to clear out your skin, and this spatula that you use also to clean out the skin. It says that it does cleansing, moisturizing, and lifting. And also on the channel, I'm going to try out home recipes, and I'm gonna try out a bunch of beauty devices and give you a review if it works or not, if it's worth buying. So to get started, mini HIFU. What it means, mini HIFU? It means it's a mini beauty device, because on the dermatologist and esthetician, they have the machine. This is a device. They have the actual professional machine. It has a big machine that does this same procedures. So, but the difference is that they have the machine, a big machine, a professional, high intensity. The potential there is very is the maximum. And this one is mini. It's a mini. It's a home use. Okay, so it's not gonna have that high potential, high intensity. Okay, HIFU, mini HIFU. What it stands HIFU, high intensity focus ultrasound. Why is it focused? Because it has this little thing here, and it's gonna focus on the. It's gonna go right through the 5 layers of your skin. So as you can see, I'm putting water here. See what it does? Okay, so this little this is gonna point out to the five. We have 5 layers in our skin, in our face, in the face region. And if you're a mother, you know that when you do a cesarean, there's 7 layers that they have to cut. In our face is 5 layers. Okay, here is where you're gonna turn it on. Here is the levels. Okay, it's on the highest. There's the 1, 2, 3. When you use it, you're gonna press here, and it's gonna do 4 beeps. Okay, so who could use this on device? Okay, anyone that is not pregnant. You cannot be pregnant and use this, like you cannot use retinol and a bunch of things. Okay, so if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, if you have a health problem, if you're doing a treatment like cancer or any kind of treatment, if you have a heart problem, if you have any kind of implants, or something in your body, okay, you cannot use it. If you have implants or like some metal on your mouth, you're gonna feel a little stinging, but it's nothing like major. But like I said, you should ask your doctor if you could use this ultrasound, because this is an ultrasound. Okay, so if you have a serious health problem or heart problem, or high blood pressure or whatever, try to consult your doctor before using this. But like majority, even people that have health problem, I see in the internet that they're using this. So nothing has happened to them. You know what I mean? But like my advice is not to use if you have a serious health problem, if you're pregnant, if you're breastfeeding, if you have implants or metals on your mouth. It's not that you cannot use it. It's gonna feel a little discomfort. If you have a metal, or you have certain implants in your body, you're gonna feel something. Okay, what this machine promises to do? It promises to firm your skin. It promises to firm your skin. If you have saggy, if you have, like saggy eyes, droopy eyes like I do, it's gonna do a lifting. It's gonna do a lifting, which is already doing it. If you notice, like it's getting high. It's gonna do a lifting. It's going to do a lifting, okay? This machine promises to do lifting, okay? It's gonna firm the skin. It's gonna mold. It's gonna mold your skin, sculpt, okay? So it's if you have wrinkles, okay, especially me that I do a lot like this, so I have the 11. It's gonna firm it out. It's like passing an iron, and like a shirt. You get a shirt that's very wrinkled, okay? It look like a cow chewed on it. You pass the iron and it smooth it out. That's what it do. It smooth out the wrinkle. Okay, so that's what this machine does. It stimulates the collagen. It firms the skin. It smooth out the wrinkle, and it mold your skin. So it's gonna burn, fat. That's why you see that it heats up. What is the sensation you feel? You feel a warm sensation, then it gets hot. Some places that you pass this machine, you feel like a tingling, and you feel like a tingling sensation, and some parts it stings, like you be like, ow, ow. So around your eyes, I wouldn't use the high level. I use it only in the first level. And of course, you have to be careful when you use around your eyes. There is a device like this just for the eyes, so you don't have because this one is you have to be very careful. I use it around my eyes, but I'm using it very careful. It says in the manual, it comes with a manual. It's in Chinese and in English, okay? In the manual, it says you could use all over your face, okay? It's in English and it's in Chinese, okay? It says here, see? Here has the picture in Chinese. It says you could use it all over your face, okay? In English, it doesn't have the image of the face, but if you read the instruction, it says you could use all over your face. Of course, you don't want to use it on your cheeks. You want to use it under. You want to use it under because you don't want to lose your cheekbones, because it's gonna burn the fat, okay? It says you could use on other parts of your body, like if you want to burn fat here, firm your flags. Like I have a flag over here. Your belly, if you lost weight and it's like flabby and jiggly, you could use it in your stomach too. Of course, there is this bigger. This is bigger, so you could use like in your stomach. No, this is a bigger version of this, except it's not high. It's not focused, because it's not focused, but it's an ultrasound. It's just that it's not focused, because this one is actually for your face to firm it up, to help it out. So what else it does? So it promises to like I said, it's gonna shape your face. It's gonna sculpt. It's gonna mold your face. It's gonna do a lifting. It's gonna help you out. So a lot of people be like, oh, don't be careful passing around your eyes. You could pass it around your eyes. You just see, you're gonna pass it like this. I'm going to do a video of how to use this machine, how to use this machine. So this video is just to talk about what it does, what it promises it does. So far, I'm liking it. I'm seeing results, especially around my eyes. It did do a lifting around my eyes. It did smooth out. Of course, when I sleep, I sleep on my face. So the wrinkles that I do have is because I sleep on my face. I'm trying to sleep on my back, but it's very uncomfortable and I just cannot sleep on my back. But what it does, it is smooth out. As you can see, I don't have wrinkles when I don't, because you should worry if if your face is normal, if you're not laughing, you're not doing no kind of expression, and your face has no wrinkles, then you don't need to worry. Now, if your face is normal and you could see a bunch of wrinkles, then you should worry. Okay, to use this machine, you need a gel. Okay, you need a gel. You need an ultrasound gel. You need some kind of, okay. I don't suggest using oil, coconut oil, that kind of stuff. You need to buy ultrasound gel. Okay, it has this kind of texture right here. Okay, so like I said, so far I'm seeing results because my eyes has lifted, because I do have droopy, saggy eyes, like, you know, when the skin, you know. So I did see results on that. My 11 has gotten better. You could use this machine twice a day. I'm sorry, twice a week max. You cannot overuse this machine because this is an ultrasound machine. Okay, you have to be very careful. So you cannot use it more than twice a week. Okay, or every 15 days. You need to give it a 3 months wait. Okay, you need to give 3 months to see the results that it promises it does. Okay, like retinol, when you use retinol to minimize your pores and to smooth out the line and to firm up your skin, whatever, you know, because retinol has a bunch of benefits. Even retinol, you need to give it time. You need to give a minimum of 2 months. This you need to give a minimum of 3 months. You cannot, you use it once and be like, oh my god, I don't see results. Then you use it the second month, I don't see results. And the manual says 90 days, 3 months. It's just like a diet, people. Diet takes 3 months to see results. To have a baby, it takes 9 months. Of course, there's a special situation where the baby comes before 9 months, you know, the premature, whatever. But it's a 9 months period. Okay, the only treatment that you see fast results is Botox. Okay, it's very few results. It's very few treatment that you see results right away. Botox is one of them. Okay, but like if you're going to do like I have this machine right here. It's for permanent hair removal. This you have to do a lot of sessions. Okay, a lot of treatment that you do on dermatologist or esthetician. You do more than one session. You don't see result the first session. Okay, even this one that is home use, you have to do a lot of session to get rid of the hair, and you really do get rid of the hair permanently. Okay, so this machine, what's the difference between this home machine and a machine that that has on the dermatologist and the spa and the esthetician? This one is home use. This one is a mini device. This is a device. There's the machine that is high intensity. It's really potential. It has a high potential because it's a machine. It has, so you see results faster than this. Okay, you see it less than 3 months, and you see that it has shaped your face, has firmed the skin, smoothed out wrinkles faster because it's a machine. This is a device. This is a mini HIFU. It's called mini HIFU. So like I said, so far I'm liking it. I'm seeing some results. I haven't seen the full results because I haven't used it for 3 months, and it's hard to use because when you have a small child, anyone that has kids that is under 5 years old, it's difficult to have your own time. So uh, soon I will give my review of if it, you know, soon I'm going to do a review if it worked or not. I'm going to tell you, look, this worked. Look, don't buy it. It's not worth it. So soon I'm going to do my review on it. I'm trying to because you have to use this for 3 months. You have to use this for 3 months, and you have to use it every week, twice a week, or at least once or twice a week. The maximum twice a week. Can't use more than that. And you have to give it 3 months. So my situation is going to be a little bit longer because I've been not using faithfully for twice a week. Okay, so but you still see results. It's just going to take longer because if you do it twice a week, you see it in 3 months. You know, so soon I'm going to do a final review on this, if it works or not, if it's worth buying. Okay, so stay tuned. That's why it's important that you subscribe and you stay tuned to see the results of this. So far I'm liking it because I did see that it lifted my eyebrow, so my eyes is not that saggy. I did feel I had really bad double chin. I do see that it's molding and sculpting and slamming my face. Of course, you're not going to use this over your cheekbones a lot because you don't want to lose your cheekbones, because this will you will lose your cheekbone. When you pass around your eyes, you have to be very careful. I'm going to do a how to use this machine, okay, properly, how to use it you know in the right way, in a safe way. But you could use around your eyes, okay, but you're going to use on the minimum level. And like I said, I'm liking this device. I'm seeing some results, and for somebody that cannot afford Botox, which is the best thing to see results right away, especially if you have really the dermatologist, he's gonna do what's the dermatologist he's going to do? He's gonna look at you and he's gonna be like, look, you need to do surgery. Look, you need to do some treatment. Look, I'm gonna use this machine on you, and it's gonna better your skin texture. If you have really deep wrinkle, of course they're gonna need lifting. If you have like wrinkles and it's not that bad, they're gonna use a Botox. So it depends on your situation. This right here is for somebody that you could have like wrinkles, like even if you're not smiling and you see a bunch of wrinkles, this is good. But if you have extreme deep wrinkles, this is not gonna work for you. Okay, unfortunately, that's life. It's just life. So like I said, so far I'm liking this device. This is for somebody. See how I'm not laughing? I'm not making no expression. Now I'm going to laugh. See how I have this? But this is because I sleep on my face, because I do take care of myself. But see, this is already smoothing out. This is helping smooth out this. See so especially I have this 11 here. It has been helping me out a lot on that. I have the Chinese goatee, so it been helping me a lot on that. It did help me. So far I'm seeing some results. So let's see in 3 months if I'm actually going to see the final results, and see if it actually will do what it promises. Okay, so please stay tuned. And like I said, this machine, it's a mini HIFU to be used at home. Of course, the dermatologist has the machine, which is more potential. Mini HIFU Like I said, it means high intensity focus ultrasound, because it's gonna focus on it's gonna go through 5 layers of your skin to help stimulate the collagen, to help to firm and smooth out your skin. So so far I'm liking it, and so far I'm seeing some results. I will give my final review if it's worth it or not to buy, if it actually does what it says it does, and soon. So soon you will see the video, because I am currently starting to use it regularly. So soon you will see the final results of this. Okay, so please stay tuned, subscribe and like and share. Bye bye.